ginawa kong coconut cookies. 12 pieces lang ito kasi first time ko na ito na gumawa. So, tikman natin kung anong lasa nito. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going again to make another kind of new recipe. So, these are all the ingredients. Half cup of cooking oil, or if you have butter, you can use, but I don't have butter. I use this kind of cup, half cup. And half cup of powdered sugar. I grind this one, and 1.5 of all-purpose flour or maida, and the desiccated coconut, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So first we have to put this one cooking oil here in bowl, and then this sugar, and then mix. Now add this, what you call this? This, what you call, this one is, this black is, this is no problem because when I make this pilipit, so I put this sugar, then I have extra, so this is not big issue. And then now we have to put now this flour, sifted all-purpose flour, and this is desiccated coconut, but I will not put all this one because I have to put this one. I will use this one for something, and this is baking powder and salt. So mix. Ayan silang maingay. Now, next we have to put evaporated milk. I use this kind of milk. If you have fresh milk of cow's milk or buffalo, but I don't have because I'm using this one for tea. So I have this evaporated milk pot. Now we have to put 1 or 2 tablespoon. Ayan, tansya ko lang yan. So I think this is enough. Now we can use hand to mix or masahiin natin. Like that. Masahin natin ng husto para ma-mix lahat yung ingredients. I think I will add more evaporated milk. So, I already mixed well. Ito yung niya. Next, we have to form this one, circle. Now, we have to use 2 tablespoons of like this. And then we make like this. Mix circle. Ayan. And then, this is already the desiccated coconut. Now, we have to make like this. Ayan. And then, we will put here in tray. Ayan. I use this kind of coconut kasi walang available dito na desiccated coconut. So, I use this kind of coconut. Grenade ko ito using this one. And then form like this circle. Like that. Ito lahat yung aking nagawa. 12 pieces of coconut cookies. So, I will leave this one for 30 minutes. Then, I will bake in my unique oven. Yung kasirola at saka may buhangin o kaya sand. Ito na yung aking unique oven at saka na-preheat ko na ito. Mainit na itong buhangin. Kaya, ilagay ko na itong coconut cookies. Ayan. Tapos, takpan, cover. Check natin after 15 minutes. Now, let's check after 15 minutes. Now, we'll change side. So, ayan, na-change side ko na lahat. Then, lutuin natin ito ulit ng 15 minutes ulit. So, takpan natin. Ayan, luto na itong both sides. Ayan. Tama na yan pagkaluto. So, tanggalin ko na itong kasirola. Ilagay ko na doon. Ayan, kain tayo ng coconut cookies. Partner ng chai o kaya tea. So, ayan, tikman natin. Bismillah, wala barakati lang. Crunchy, oh. Apat na lang ang natira kasi tamang-tama na naluto ito sa aking unique oven. Gumawa ako ng chai kay Lakay, tapos sa akin din kay Langga at saka kay Fatma. Kaya si Fahad na lang ang hindi kumain ito. Kung ayaw niya, di kakainin ko ito. Kaya ito na lang natira, apat kasi 12 pieces yun eh. Masarap, crunchy. Tama lang yung sugar niya, hindi masyado matamis o kaya basta katamtaman lang.